The country comprises not of land, it comprises of people. We lost half the country. Why? Question that. Was it because of corrupt politicians? No. It was because of power-hungry general that you lost the country. As simple as that. You did not respect the people's will. I'm sorry if I don't want to come across as rude, but I'm very clear about this in my mind. I mean, Article 5 says every Pakistani, wherever he may be, if you're a Pakistan, then the Constitution of Pakistan is bound by it. On us, people like presidents, prime ministers, MPs, MNAs, army officers, judges included, we have taken on the added responsibility to uphold and defend the Constitution, which you have not. But you are bound to obey the Constitution. I hope that answers your question.